Hello, I'm Niveka Balakrishnan. My IT number is 1624444. Here we are going to demonstrate RPC server and client. This is the RPC server we are going to run now. And now it will ask username and password. Here we are entering username as N and password as X. And now you can see the server side. We have to connect with client, so we are going to run now.
Hello, I'm Shabir. My student ID number is 1624301 and I'll be showing the client side. Now I'm going to run the client. First, when we run the client, we have to give the IP address of server's IP address 192.168.1.4. And currently the buttons are enabled false because first client has to request the value from the server. And this is the second client PC. Yeah, we have run.
Now you can see the online IP address and PC name and time when they are logged in. I have noted those items. If the client to run, you can see his name and IP address, time.
And also we can see the mostly viewed IP address here. First, those two are same, then that's why it's showing the last IP address here. And we have to request the value from the client. When it's give the request the value, and it will show the pop-up message in server, please enter item value for 1.3.
And if we select OK and select the button change value, then automatically the IP address will be loaded and we can enter the values here. If we submit, we have a success message where value is successfully updated. Then
when the server update the values, the button will get enabled and he can add the add any item he want. And it will show in the receipt that create added. And also when server client is not requested for value, if we add this one, new one, again he will get a message, pop-up message.
And we have to change the values again for the specific IP addresses.
We can select the IP address in the combo box. Successful. I'm gonna add the Coca can, crate and the paper bag and printing the receipt. And also from here also I have added 3 items and printing the receipt. The values are entered. Here also values are entered. When customer add values, the item list will show the list of items, and also see the online PC. and after that he can view the bill. And also he can, other thing, from the client, engineer can log into the machine using the password user and password as 123 and login. He can actually do two tasks, and reset the machine and monitoring items. It's reset, and the monitoring item, he can view the client's activity here from here. Submit, you can go to close, and the client can empty the machine as well. It's empty. From here also will be empty. And
if a engineer visit, we can see the engineer's activity, and here we can select the IP address as well. Here we have only one engineer, so these are the details.
From here we can see the engineer's activity, which the IP address is 192.168.1.3, and also he can refresh the refresh button, and it will show all the other tasks. She's doing in the other client. He has engineer has logged in and view the client activity, and as you can see all the activities. And also he can view the item list according to the IP addresses here. First it will show all the item list here, and totally there are 15 items in the list. This is the refresh button, and also he can view by the selecting the particular IP. If it is 1.3, it will show the IP address as 3. If it is 4, 1.4, this one, and in the below 192.168.4 has 4 items in the list. And also this one, this PC has 3 items. And also he can view the bill history as well. In the bill history also, first when he click the button, it will show all the available bills, and there are totally 5 transactions. And if the server click the particular IP address, it will show the particular machine's bill history. Here 192.168.139.1 has 2 transactions. And if you click the refresh button, it will show all the transactions available. And also here server can view mostly visited IP addresses and mostly added IP address one as well. When the client run again, log out and run again, this most visited IP address will increase by 1, as well as it will show in the online PC. And in the client side, when he add more items, it will show the machine is full, and also it will get all the other buttons disabled. He can refresh the machine and get the other more 50 and empty the bill. This is our recycling machine GUI RPC, and server can log out. That's all. Thank you.
This is our RMI server. We use same as RPC server, and password as N and username as N and password as X, and we can log in now.
Here I'm going to run the client. First you have to give the IP address 192.168.1.4. Let's say it's connected. When it's connected, okay, then it will show it here, the IP address and the machine name and the time. I'm gonna run it in the next PC. To 168.1.4. It's connected, and it will show both of the IPs here. First, server has to, when the client have to add an item, it will show a message showing that request value from server, because without a value he can't add an item. So first he has to give request value. When you request value here, it will show okay.
We can give the values here. If you give values and submit, it will show the value successfully updated.
Okay.
And now
he can
add the values. Values will be shown in the server item list.
And you can print the receipt.
When we print, the server will get the details of the bill.
This client 1.3 has added 5 items. It will show it here. And from the other PC, I'm going to request a value.
I'm getting a message to enter the items, and we can change the values. Now you can select the items here in the drop down box. Submit. Value successfully updated.
The client can add the items and print the receipt. We will show it here. Yes, added these items, and the bill is this one. Is the bill. And the other thing is engineer login. You can reset machine and monitor items. You can view the engineer visit here from here, and all the other engineer visits, and also you can check the item list according to the IP addresses. This is the last added IP address, which is in the last 139.1. These are the items which I added from that IP address, and also this is the other one. These are the other items. It will show the total number of items here. And in the bill history, you can view all the bill details, bill history. There are totally 6 transactions, and also he can click the particular IP address and view the receipt history. That's all. Thank you very much.